Good morning, students. Welcome to week 5 of virtual learning. Today's activity will be found only on Seesaw. So log into your Seesaw account and go to English as a World Language and look for the activity that is titled Grade 4 Virtual Learning World Language English Week 5. So today you will have 3 activities. The first activity is a warm up activity. So it is a word game. It's called Word Shake, and you just have to play it for 3 minutes. So the link is over here, and when I click on it, it will take me to that site, and you just have to press the play button. And I'm going to press play. So the timer is set for 3 minutes. The goal of this game is to come up with as many words as you can in 3 minutes. So I'm going to start, and let me think. Let me see what happens if I start with something small like it. Oh, it's not accepted because it's only 2 letters. So let's try a 3 letter word. Lit. Oh, and I get 1 point. I'm going to try another one. Set. Okay, and I get another point. Let me try a 4 letter word. Let's see what happens then. I press enter. Oh, I get 2 more points. So keep going and come up with as many 3 letter words or more in 3 minutes. And once you have finished that, please upload a picture of the scoreboard on slide 1 of your template, which is over here. Play the game, come up with as many words as you can, and upload a picture of this scoreboard over here. The second activity today involves punctuation. So we have a paragraph here. It says, edit the paragraph. Add the missing punctuation and capitalization to these sentences and use the pen tool below. So over here, you do have some prompts, like your punctuation marks. What are they? A question mark or a period or a comma? And you have some rules for your capitalization. You might need to use some of these rules. So I'm going to start by reading the paragraph. I have a dog. He is a Labrador. You can see a Labrador. Cute dog. He wags his tail and licks my face when he sees me. He loves to go for walks, play with his red ball, and chew on bones. Do you have a dog? I love my dog very much because he always obeys me and follows me everywhere. So use the punctuate the sentences by using the pen tool from Seesaw, and you can use this directly on this paragraph. The third activity for today involves a story. So this activity is called Roll a Story. We have been reading a lot of stories, we have been summarizing a lot of stories, but today you're going to have a chance to write your own story. So using a real dice at home, and if you don't have one, it's okay. There's a link in this activity for a digital dice. If you press the link, it will show you a picture of a digital dice. You roll the dice 3 times to pick the main character, the setting, and the problem. So the main characters you have is a wizard, a fairy, a genie, a unicorn, a rabbit, and a pencil. And the setting could be mountainside, a bowling alley, a castle, a cruise ship, the beach, or a camping ground. The problem could be a snake, it could be a whirlpool, it could be fire, it could be a map and you're lost, it could be a gold net or a tomato. So once you roll the dice, circle the image using the pen tool or the drawing tool and circle the main character, roll the dice again and circle the setting and roll the dice again for your problem. On the next slide, you will type your story here. Remember to give your story a title. So, just as an example, let me show you what that looks like. So, if I roll the dice and I get the main character as a unicorn, the setting is a campground, and the problem is a snake eats the unicorn. So, the story goes like this. Once there was a unicorn named Uni who went camping. She had an enormous tent. Enormous means big, filled with lots of snacks like Twizzlers and popcorn. And one night, Uni stepped out of her tent. Snake Man was waiting for her. Uni didn't know what to do, so she just froze. All of the snakes had attracted the snake to her tent. Uni turned and started to run, but chomp! Snake Man gobbled her up like it was his Thanksgiving dinner. Luckily, Snake Man just swallowed her whole, so she really didn't get hurt. Uni used her horn to poke Snake Man's belly. She poked and poked and poked until she was able to make her way out. Hurrah! Uni escaped. So, this is an example of a story. Remember that you're going to type your story here and be creative. You can add in dialogue and thoughts and feelings and use your imagination. I hope you have fun with these three activities, and I'll see you soon. Bye.